All right, check it out, boys and girls. Here you go. The green colored Hummer Extreme. Check it out. Now, you may think this one's not green. It might look like a little bit of a silver. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and do a nice video here for you, so you boys and girls can check it out and see exactly what the green color looks like. Now, in the video, like I said, it looks like it's a little bit silver, but it also, as you can see, has that nice green tone to it. Again, the Jaskol Hummer Extreme utility ATV for sale from saferwholesale.com. Now this one here, it's got nice shocks in the front. You've got disc brakes in the front as well. Nice rugged tire. Then we also have the nice rugged tire in the back. You can also put your trailer ball hitch right here. So again, just go ahead and bolt it right up there from underneath. Disc brakes in the back. Mono shock right there. Again, chain driven. It's got turn signals on it. Check it out. Easy to ride, easy to drive. saferwholesale.com. This one here, check it out. The nice bright LED lights. A little difficult and tough to see in the daytime, but again, check it out. saferwholesale.com will ship nationwide right to your front door. Got a nice padded fat seat right there. And we love to show videos so you guys can see exactly what you're looking at. Again, saferwholesale.com, the Hummer Extreme on sale right now. It's gonna come fully assembled and we can ship it right to your front door. So give us a call today. Again, fully automatic. It's got forward, neutral, and reverse. And again, this one here, easy to ride, easy to drive, fully automatic. Here you go, right on the right-hand side of the unit here. You can see it right there. Hop on. You also have your nice digital dash there. Real fun, easy to ride. cc's of power, and again, it's simple. Twist and go, push, throttle and go, sorry. And you also have your parking brake there as well. Call us right now, saferwholesale.com, toll free 866-606-3991. Easy controls right here. You've got your high beam, low beam. Check it out. Electric start. And we can ship nationwide, again, right to your front door. Call us today, 866-606-3991, saferwholesale.com.